Welcome back to the HTD Talent channel. Do you ever wonder why junior software engineers sometimes struggle to become effective early in their careers? It's not because they lack talent or potential. As a matter of fact, far from it. It's more so about the systems that they're entering and whether or not they're set up for success. So today I'm breaking down 3 reasons why this happens and what we can actually do about it. So let's dive in. Now, first, there's a massive gap between what students learn in a computer science program and the actual tools and skills that companies want them to have to be effective on the job in 2025. Most computer science programs focus heavily on theory, so data structures, algorithms, and some foundational coding. But when you enter the workforce, you're suddenly expected to know how to use the real-world tools and bring all of that training together at one time. So tech stacks and development workflows like version control and CI/CD pipelines and cloud platforms become very important. It's like when you learned how to drive a car in a parking lot and then you get thrown into rush hour traffic. There's a steep learning curve, and without the right support, many junior engineers feel lost trying to handle all of this. Now second, let's talk about these rotational programs. You know, those initiatives designed to give junior talent exposure to a wide variety of teams within the tech industry. It sounds great on paper, but if we go a layer deeper, we start to find some problems. Why? Because these programs often don't give junior talent enough time to master a functional area before they're shuffled on to the next one. So instead of gaining confidence in deep skills, they're constantly resetting and struggling to make an impact. It's a bit like planting seeds in your garden, but then pulling those same seeds back up before they've had time to set their roots and actually sprout. And third, high levels of attrition amongst junior talent are a major issue. In fact, research shows that most junior engineers only stay for 12 to 18 months with their first employer. So if they're in a rotational program for 18 to 24 months, how do you actually get any value out of your junior hires? And why does this happen? We see burnout, we see lack of direction, but often it's just really a lack of clarity around how their career progresses from these programs. And quite frankly, there's often someone willing to pay a few dollars more to bring an experienced engineer onto their team after they have a bit of experience. And if we think about it, if you're already feeling overwhelmed and maybe undervalued, and someone offers you a raise to come join their company early in your career, that sounds like a great idea. So this high turnover is a big issue, and it's not just affecting the engineers themselves, but it's also impacting the companies who are investing in trying to hire this talent. So what's the solution here? Well, companies need to start bridging the gap between school and the workforce by offering targeted training on the hands-on skills that's going to get junior talent effective quickly. We also might need to take a look at these rotational programs and determine, are we really getting value from these programs? Are they setting people up for success? Or would it be better to be more targeted and bringing people into a career field and a niche that they're already interested in and setting them on that path for success? And perhaps most important, we need to create environments where junior talent see a clear path to the career that they want and feel supported along the way. And this is exactly what we're doing at HTD Talent. We know the potential of junior talent if we can actually invest in them the right way, give them the right systems, and make them feel like a valuable part of the team as they learn the skills that they didn't get in college but need to be successful today. So what do you think? Did I miss anything? I would love to hear your opinion. Hit that like button, leave some comments below, and let's have a conversation about how these programs really should look if we're going to support junior talent in 2025. I'm looking forward to seeing your feedback, and we will see you next time.